Since 1980, Zimbabwe has had many presidential advisors, some brilliant, others forgettable, but never before have we witnessed the kind of political absurdity now associated with Paul Tungwarara. Dandayed Tungwarara is by far the worst and most useless presidential advisor in Zimbabwe's post-independence history. Salapena mashukubda itokwana chipomsarurwa aiwa akadirectwa na Tungwarara ndo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tinda paindo pake ya msarurwa mdanyora chiti. What kind of madness is this? An advisor to the president, gallivanting across the country, dishing out cars, cash, and promises like a rogue philanthropist on a campaign trail. Is this what the office of the president has been reduced to? A glorified ATM for political adventurists. Have you ever seen President Hakainde Hichilema's advisors handing out vehicles in Kanyama? Have you ever seen President Cyril Ramaphosa's advisors doling out millions of rands in Soweto? Of course not, because in functioning democracies, presidential advisors advise they do not moonlight as political financiers through shadow commissars. Tungwarara's antics are not just a personal embarrassment, they are a national disgrace. They expose the rot at the heart of our political culture, where access to power is mistaken for the license to flaunt wealth, and where public service is confused with personal spectacle. This is not philanthropy, it is a patronage, politics at its most vulgar. It is the weaponization of poverty, the political gain. It is the recycling of the same toxic formula that has kept our youth dependent, our institutions hollow, and our democracy in a permanent state of infancy. If the office of the president is to retain any shred of credibility, it must immediately distance itself from the charade. Zimbabwe is not a playground for political showmen. It is a nation in a crisis, in need of sober minds, not shallow pockets. We must demand better, we must expect more, and we must say, without fear or favor, enough is enough. Ndomba shukantogwa na msaruro pena comment section medu zofunguro aim kulipa msoro pay these developments pena comment section medu za subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.